Some Jamaicans are embracing the dunce culture to the point that they are purchasing school bags with the words dunce written on them. Some popular Jamaican dancehall artists also sing songs about being fully dunce and dunce bad. It is concerning that people are gravitating towards this type of nonsense. According to the World Bank, the illiteracy rate in Jamaica is 7.1%. This is lower than the illiteracy rate in some other Caribbean islands, such as Haiti, which is 25.8%, Suriname, which is 13.2%, and Guyana, which is 11.6%. However, it is still higher than the illiteracy rate in other Caribbean islands, such as Barbados, which is 1.2%, Cuba, which is 2.2%, and Trinidad and Tobago, which is 2.4%. There are a number of possible explanations for why the illiteracy rate in Jamaica is higher than some other Caribbean islands, even though it is lower than others. One possible explanation is that Jamaica has a relatively high poverty rate. According to the World Bank, 14.7% of Jamaicans live below the national poverty line. This means that many Jamaicans may not have the resources to send their children to school or to afford educational materials. Another possible explanation is that Jamaica has a relatively high dropout rate. According to the UNESCO Institute of Statistics, the gross enrollment rate for secondary education in Jamaica is only 83.6%. This means that many Jamaican students do not complete their secondary education. Finally, Jamaica has a relatively high rate of violence. According to the World Bank, Jamaica has the highest homicide rate in the Caribbean. This violence can create a hostile learning environment and make it difficult for students to succeed in school. It is important to note that these are just a few possible explanations for why the illiteracy rate in Jamaica is higher than some other Caribbean islands. More research is needed to fully understand this issue. In addition, there are a number of other possible explanations for the differences in illiteracy rates between Caribbean islands. These include differences in government investment in education. Some Caribbean islands, such as Barbados and Cuba, invest heavily in education. This investment has led to high literacy rates in these countries. Differences in cultural attitudes towards education. In some Caribbean islands, there is a strong cultural emphasis on education. This emphasis has helped to boost literacy rates in these countries. Differences in the quality of education. The quality of education can vary widely from island to island in the Caribbean. Some islands have high-quality school systems, while others have school systems that are struggling. The quality of education can have a significant impact on literacy rates.